Hello friends, it's Trillion Dollar Silver. Today we are going to be talking about the combination of a currency based on precious metals and also a digital currency. The currency that I'm proposing wouldn't actually be based upon precious metals, but it really would be based upon a culture of people who kept precious metals in their individual hands. The gold standard is a trick which has been perpetrated upon humanity for many thousands of years, and this trick just piles up all the gold into the elite people's hands, and then these people are given responsibility and basically allowed to do whatever they want. So they are sitting on top of this pile of gold. That is Ben Bernanke, you can see there. He's just partying it out. So we all just get our gold together. We say, "Here, Ben, take our gold." And we say, "Ben, I think we can trust you with the gold, so we're just gonna let you have all of it, and we just like paper, so you know, everything's good. We want our paper, you take the gold, and we'll see you back in 45 years to check the vaults." And of course, it's not gonna be there. This really hits into the philosophy of what is currency and what is money. But the fact is that we need a digital currency because we live in the age of the internet, where you can buy things offline from someone very far away in another country. You're not buying something from them face to face. So you need a digital currency, and all currencies today are actually digital anyway. So it's pretty obvious that we need something digital. But Bitcoin and other digital currencies like Bitcoin, they kind of are backed by the fact that they track who is in possession of each coin, and this does provide value to the system. So there is a small amount of value, but I feel like it just needs to not be backed by anything and just be trusted by the societies and allowed to let free market policies apply, and whichever currency is the best would win out. This doesn't mean that this will stop all different problems, and it will definitely not stop tyranny in general, but it will stop the easiest method for tyrannical elite people to steal from the people. The system that we have today with the gold standard, it concentrates all of the real physical wealth into the hands of bankers. So all of the wealth is in one place. The system that I am promoting concentrates wealth into the hands of individuals and businesses, and it makes it so that the method of exchange between people daily is understood to be a promise, which it has to be. There's not really any other way unless you can somehow figure out a way to put real wealth into a digitally transferable object. Humanity has tried many times to have the gold standard work out. At first it was actually gold, like in the Roman times, which they eventually started to water down by cutting the coins with other metals and whatnot. The reason that people have trouble understanding that the gold standard is actually the problem is because it takes generations for the actual consequences to occur. It is an exponential equation, so it's all fine and dandy for whatever 100 years or so until things go bad. The problem begins the very instant that you claim paper can be as good as gold, as long as the paper is backed by gold. This always leaves gold piled up in the hands of bankers, allowing humanity to make the same mistakes that we have been for a very long time. We didn't necessarily always have the capabilities to move beyond this, but now with digital capabilities, it is the free man's responsibility to choose this option. We just continuously move from one gold standard to the next, and the problem really is that all the people who collect up the gold while the monetary system is breaking, those people can become rich by setting up the next monetary system. But what they have to do is basically take control of the world and set it free. So they need to create some type of digital currency which is exchanged between all the people, and all these people should individually stack gold and silver at their house be their own central banks, as Gregory Mannarino says. So the system that I'm promoting is a combination between a digital currency, whichever one is optimal and the free market chooses, as well as promoting the individual to hold precious metals as a store of value. Like I said, because of the fact that we have the internet and can buy things from places very far away, it is not feasible to use a currency which is directly backed by itself, and every gold standard in history has been followed by a fiat monetary system which then failed. So we need to stop doing things which are insane, constantly repeating the same problems. So no matter what, it is best to choose a standard that promotes the holding of wealth in the individual hands. It does not concentrate wealth into any one person's hands. You just need to look at it from far away and get a grasp of the big picture. This will help you understand. This standard distributes the precious metals completely different throughout the community. Instead of it all being collectively piled into the center between whichever nation is controlling that currency, instead of that, each person has their own stash of gold. And we all know that when things are collectivized, someone finds a way to steal it because they know that they can get more than their piece of the pie. So what happens is you pile all the gold up in the middle and it's kind of forgotten about, and then it's stolen, and then a long time later it will be discovered that it was stolen. So there definitely needs to be some severe changes to the culture and monetary system if we want to really make a big leap forward in technology and whatnot. This could improve the standard of living of all human beings across the world and help us to reach outer space and just go beyond the limits of what we think is possible. The reason that I'm calling this the free currency standard is because it promotes the holding of real wealth in the hands of individuals, within the hands of the people. It is free from banker manipulation, banker strings, and control. So support the free currency standard. Get yourself some silver. Get yourself some digital currencies. This is $1 Trillion Silver. I'll see you guys next video.